Welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to add padding to a bustier for that smooth, lifted and well-shaped finish every client wants. Whether you're sewing for a bride, a custom order or your personal collection, this technique will take your bustier game to the next level. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you find it helpful, and feel free to share this video with your family and friends. But without further ado, let's get straight to business. To do this, I have already ironed and interfacing. This is the interfacing I used, a cloth gum. So the next thing I'm going to do is to put my warden. Okay, this is a soft warden. I love working with soft wardens. I'm going to put this and make sure it aligns like with the under bust. I'm going to use my pin to hold it. It has to be under the bust. All right, so I'm going to cut. Alright, so once I cut this, I'll turn it to this other side. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to divide the bust measurement by 4. So in this case, the bust measurement is 38. 38 divided by 4 is going to give us 8.5 divided by 4. Sorry, is going to give us 19 1/4. I'll divide that by 2. So this is 9 3/4. That is, you divide it by 4. Whatever you have, divide that by 2. So what I have here is 9 3/4. Okay, so I'm going to divide it by 2, and what I have is 4.9 here. So I'm going to measure that. All right, I'm going to put an extra 1 inch. I need this to lap well with the bust. So now that we have that, I'm going to use it to just get that shape very well. So now we have this. I'm going to go ahead and cut. Okay, so this is what we have. I'm going to trim this off at this point. The right side, the wrong side, that is the gummy part, is going to be on this part. All right, and then this gummy part will be on this side as well. All right, I'm going to locate the under bust, which I already marked right here. This is the under bust. All right, so I'm going to place this under the bust. I need to shift this a little so that once I've placed it under the bust very well, I'm going to hold it with my pin. I'm going to start cutting. Okay, I don't want this to get to the neck area. So I'm going to use a very hot iron to attach this to this fabric, a very hot iron. Before I join these two, this is how it's going to be. I'm going to place this fabric on it. I'm going to place this one and this one as well. So I'm going to use 1/2 inch to join this. So I'm trying to hold it before I take it to the machine. So this is the way I'm going to hold it until I get to the end. I'm going to join it with 1/2 inch. So you see what we have. So I'm going to go ahead and iron this flat, but before I do that, I like to cut this off a little so that the seam will relax very well. It's not like if you don't cut it off it won't relax, it will, but I don't like it being bulky. I'm going to go ahead to iron this, but before I do, I'm going to just cut this at different places just to help the seam to relax. Please don't allow your notch to get to the seam, okay? Just to help this to relax. That's why I'm doing this. So to iron this seam, I'm going to use, I won't let my iron touch this sequence directly because it can melt it. So I'm going to use a handkerchief. So you open it, then put your so see the one I've ironed already. it's looking flat. Can you see? So I'm going to go ahead to iron the entire part. This is, can you see how it's looking? So I'm going to attach everything that I'm going to attach to this blouse, and I'll show you guys the final result. So this is how to pad your blouse. Remember that the wording I used is the lightest wording. So if you want yours to be strong, like I don't like that the effect those strong ones give, but if you want it to be strong, like if you want to keep it like this and it stands very well, you want it to be strong, you can use a very thick wording. There are so many materials out there you can use to pad your blouse, but I decided to pad with wording. Let me know what you think about this video in the comment section below. Would you like to see how I draft a perfect bustier for my clients? Let me know in the comment section below. And there's more other videos you'd like to see here on this channel. Let me know in the comment section below. Until I come your way again, my name is Ruby. Stay blessed and have an amazing time. Bye.